In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a landing page in Klaviyo. First, log into your Klaviyo account. Once you're on the dashboard, scroll down through the left-hand side menu and click on Audience. A sub-menu will appear from which you should select Lists and Segments. I recommend creating a new list specifically for this landing page. To do this, click Create New at the top right-hand corner and then click on Create List option. Provide a name for your new list and then click Create List again. Once your list is created, look for the option labeled Set Up Subscribe Page and click on it. You'll then see a prompt to customize this list, so click Customize. Here you'll find the Subscribe page, which essentially serves as your landing page. Click on Edit Page and you'll be taken to the page editor. Inside the editor, you can start modifying various fields. Click on any field to change its heading, enter placeholder text, or adjust settings like padding and background color. You can also delete fields you don't need. For instance, I'll remove the last name field and convert the first name field into a full name field. If there are text boxes, you can edit or remove those as well. In addition to text and fields, you can customize the style settings, such as changing the background color of your form page or tweaking input field designs. If you want, you can also add different content blocks to enhance your landing page. Klaviyo offers 4 key pages in this flow. The first is the subscribe page. The second is the confirmation page that tells users to check their inbox. The third is the opt-in email sent to subscribers, which you can also adjust. Finally, the fourth is the success page that confirms the subscription. Make sure to edit all these pages as needed, and once everything looks good, click Publish at the top right-hand corner. After publishing, you'll see the subscribe page URL on the left side of your screen, which serves as your landing page link. Click Copy URL, open it in a new tab, and you'll see your landing page live and working perfectly. That's how you can create a landing page in Klaviyo.